Hello, everyone. It's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and I'm here with your 5-minute tip for this week. So, I was asked, how can you use your cell phone as a document camera? And they have a lot of videos out there and tips and tricks for doing that. I wanted to show you a very quick way that you can do this using Zoom. So, the first step is to go ahead and connect your phone to your laptop. So, I'm just using my regular phone charging USB cord and I connected it to my laptop. The next step is I want to come to the share screen in Zoom. So if I come right here to share screen, notice I have a section or a button now for iPhone, iPad, and I am using an iPhone. So I'm going to click that and click share. The very first time you do that, it's going to tell you to download an add-in. So go ahead and click yes, I want to download, let that go through, and then this screen will come up. So this screen gives you the rest of your directions to go ahead and share your phone. So it says make sure that your phone is on the same Wi-Fi as your laptop. Then you want to do that corner slide, drag, and you'll see a button that says screen mirroring. When you click that, it's going to say Zoom owner. I'm going to click that. So now you're actually seeing my iPhone. So how did I get to this screen mirroring? I just drug down, and then where it says Zoom owner right now, that's where the screen mirroring button is. So now I can show anything on my iPhone. So if I actually wanted to show them like, oh, I'm going to pull up a Google Classroom document and I can draw on it using my finger and all that kind of good stuff. But I actually want to use this as a document camera. So all I need to do for that to happen is turn on my camera. So if I wanted to show this notepad, for example, I'm going to come here and turn on my camera. And now, if I want to draw on this and write on this, now I'm using this as a document camera. But of course, I don't want to sit here and hold it all day long, right? So you're going to have to put it on something. Some people will actually buy like a little stand. I've seen teachers where they just put a stack of books and you just let it kind of hang off. And now I have a document camera. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy for you to accomplish this. So when I'm done, I can just come here and click Zoom owner and just say stop mirroring, and it goes back to that. Or of course, you can come here to your share window in Zoom and just simply say stop sharing. So that's a quick and easy way. It's already a part of Zoom that you can use your phone as a document camera on Zoom. Good luck.